we heard you say to your trainer, Jim Strickland, I can handle his punches, he's just too fast. Was that basically the story of the fight?
Yeah, he was too fast. I started back late, but, you know, I mean, to go with a guy like Manny Pacquiao.
Ang laban ni Manny Pacquiao at David Diaz ay tinaguri ang Lethal Combination. Pinaglabanan dito, WBC World Lightweight title naganap noong Hulyo 2008 at ginanap sa Mandalay Bay Hotel Casino sa Mandalay Bay Event Center, Las Vegas, Nevada. Ang laban ni Manny Pacquiao kung saan umakyat pa ito ng isang division matapos isa-isahin pataubin ang mga kilalang boksingero fighter na sina Marco Antonio Barrera, Eric Morales at Manuel Marquez. Ayon sa pamansang kamao, isa ito makasaysayang labang na magtatangka na maging kauna-unang Pinoy at Asyano mananalo ng apat na titulo sa mundo na sa larangan ng boxing.
First Filipino Asian boxers to get a fourth.
Pero handa naman si Diaz sa ibibigay ng ating pambato at tiwala naman itong kaya niyang pigilan si Manny Pacman.
I feel more to my advantage just because of the simple fact that that's just been my style.
Bagamat bihari ito sa laban ni Manny Pacquiao, hindi naman biro na boksingero si Diaz na kilala na hindi umatras sa laban. At nakailang bisis tinanghal sa National Golden Gloves Promotion, nagtala din ito ng 26 na sunod-sunod na panalo sa pro boxing career bago malasap ang kanyang kabiguan noong 2005 sa kapwa Amerikano na si King Danot sa 8th round technical knockout. Kaya naman itinuturing ito na banta sa ating pambat.
He's a guy who has been going in different weight classes, beating up on people, and he's trying to do that at 135, and I think he's going to run to a little bit of I can prove it until the day.
Balikan natin ang laban nating kababayan kontra sa pinakaunang US champion na si Diaz na magtatangka na pigilan makasaysayang laban ni Pacquiao. At alamin kung paano nga nakuha ni Pacman ang ika-4 na magkakaibang division matapos nitong wasakin ng hari at tigasing ng WBC Lightweight Division.
Is he number 1 pound for pound? He'll try to make a statement here.
Gaya ng naipahayag ng dalawang boksingero, naging ma-action agad ang bakbakan ni Pacman at si Diaz sa unang 3 minutong bakbakan. Palitan ng atakin dalawang boksingero pero mas higit na pulido ang mga suntok ni Pacman sa unang bahagi ng laban.
The same with his left uppercut. See, he's just trying to right there because he's very smart. He realizes that it's not going to be that easy to hit him to the hit on top at the beginning.
He's not easy to put away in a cold breeze, and Pacquiao can't expect for anything to happen quickly here.
Pacquiao's a boxing tonight. A lot different than I've ever saw him fight before. For the first time, he's got somebody that probably that he's faster than.
Sa round 2, nagkaroon ng malalim na sugat si Diaz. Buga na rin ang maagang sunod-sunod na patama ni Pacman. Pero hindi ito naging dahilan para hindi lumaban si Diaz. Ang sabayan na kilalang hindi umatras sa laban.
Lands a left hand on the chin again. This one a more glancing blow. Pacquiao with a big left hand lead over the top. And another uppercut.
But he has not been landing. Those punches are not landing. Diaz is catching the punches for the most part.
Yes, all those punches are blocked. And those.
And there he is. But left hand's over top. He's doing so many different things.
He looks spectacular. And he's doing it against the southpaw after not having caught one for years. Big right hook by Pacquiao. Another big right hook right on the button by Pacquiao. Pacquiao again with that right hook, right uppercut combination. Tremendous work with the right hand by Pacquiao. Hooking and uppercutting just the same way we saw Andre Berto do it with his backhand last week. Two body shots from Diaz, and a third one as the round comes, shot by Pacquiao. Diaz shakes his head as if to say to the referee, I'm okay.
Sa round 5, naging mahirap na para kay Diaz ang laban dahil sa malalim na sugat sa ilalim bahagi ng kanyang mata. Natamo sa round 4 sa patuloy na solidong suntok ni Pacquiao sa laban. Dahil sa lumalambot na depensa ni Diaz sa laban, baka sa mukha na hindi talaga uubra sa bilis ng ating pambato. Bagamat aminado si Diaz na wala talagang magagawa ang pinaka mabilis na si Pacman, malakas ang loob ng kampiyon na kaya tapusin ang bakbakan. Dito na masasaksihan ng mga manonood ang kanilang kinatakutan at ito na nga ang tuluyang matsimpuhan ni Pacman.
Tremendous straight left-hand shot for Pacquiao. How many more? Down he goes, and Dracula stops the fight. They should have never got to that. Welcome to the lightweight division. Manny Pacquiao was sensational.
Ang panalo ni Pacman ang nagbigay ng WBC lightweight na title sa isang mas makasaysayang panalo sa isang makasaysayang laban na nagluklok sa kaunahang Pinoy Asiano boksingero nagkamit ng 4 na titulo sa mundo ng professional boxing.
Manny Pacquiao.
Bigo man madipinsahan ng kanyang titulo, hinangaan pa rin si Diaz. Pinakita nitong tapang labang kay Pacman. Bagamat ayon kay Diaz, kaya daw tiisin ang suntok ni Pacman. Kakaibang bilis daw ang ni Pacman ang pahirap sa kanilang laban.
Between rounds toward the end of the fight, when we heard you say to your trainer Jim Strickland, I can handle his punches, he's just too fast. Was that basically the story of the fight?
Yeah, he was too fast. Fucker was too fast. Sa ngayon, sa sanang matagumpay si Diaz sa Red States program sa isang pribadong kumpanya sa Chicago sa Amerika. Patuloy pa rin binabalikan ang isang makasaysayang laban niya kay Pacman.